Alright, this might be a good thing or a bad thing. Fuck. This might be a good thing or a bad thing.
Dude, you can't go twice.
He's fucking being dumb.
Oh my god, you're such a get your. Alright, everyone get in line.
You-
Everyone get in line. Get in line! Get in line. Church, you're not even on the system for me. You're pointing at a box right now. Dude, you type slower than my grandma. What is going on?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Shadow Schroeder here. I might have an exhaust leak. I put on my exhaust with EJ almost 2 years now, and over time I've noticed that I'm losing a little bit of performance, a little puttering. So I think I have an exhaust leak. So I'm actually going to bring it to a good friend of mine. He's an ASE-Certified tech. I bought new gaskets and hardware, and I'm going to have him show me how to fix an exhaust leak with the Lexus, which is nice. Yes, my friend who's a technician just got a new toy. It's actually a big pink dildo, so he definitely wants us to see that, which is nice. So. Good luck. I have an RO.
You're good.
No, you're good. You're good. It's just you're breaking it in. All right, you're in. You're in. You're in. Ah, Dios mío. So we're just setting her up now, but let's see his new toy. You'll see this. Look at that. Fucking mint. That thing is sick. He's doing an oil change on it right now, but it is gorgeous. I mean, that's nice too, but holy fuck. Definitely gonna film some more of this. This thing is gorgeous. My baby. Also, look at this fucking turd. When's the last time you guys saw this in one of my videos? It's been a long fucking time. He's still a bitch though. As far as an exhaust leak, what can I be looking for?
That right there.
Oh, that fucking...
Shit.
That right there?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I definitely have one there. Okay.
It looks like he might be right with the shitty welds. Yeah, but it looks like there was some shit coming out around where the welds are on this side. Oh, soy.
So we can fix that, right?
Gaskets. Gaskets.
All right.
Sure.
I got good news and bad news.
What's that?
I think they're still in my trunk. What are you fucking doing with that? What the fuck is that thing?
We're shoving it in there.
Huh? What's up, dog? I said he was ASE certified, right? Smoke test?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right.
How are we going to block these off, though, is the question. Because you got a lot of tips.
Yeah, I got 4 of them.
Too many tips. Yeah, I want to show everybody. A+ work right there.
No, that's good. That means speed. All right. So he thinks that it's that the welds are cracking more so than just the gaskets.
We got that little crack right there. It looks like it's almost cracked all the way across the entire weld on this side.
And he said he's gonna fix it, which is really nice. That's what he said.
Maybe.
Huh?
Huh?
It's already up.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. A little exhaust buddy, call it a day.
Yeah.
You know what? I think that's what we're gonna do.
And watch, I'm gonna snap my fingers and it's fixed. It's not, but
No, it's not. Still there.
still there. No, it's not that hot.
It's not hotter than church.
Oh.
What?
Ah, Dios mío. Yeah. And the reason why I come to Tyler is because he's the most handsome tech there is.
All right. Why don't we calm down over there?
It's nice. As Tyler said, I gotta weld it. So
Yep, good luck.
wish me luck on this, boys. Mark, I got a question for you. Do you know what an exhaust leak is?
The air be coming out.
Air coming out. Don't worry, he just does oil changes. What the fuck are you doing now?
It's a big plate.
I thought we were doing my exhaust.
Oops. No, we're just ripping your car apart for extra parts.
Nice.
Steve needed one of those for his car.
That's optional. So you want delete, right?
So it's down.
Yo, let's go start it.
It looks good. It looks really. It looks good. It doesn't look too bad. I'm trying to see if it focuses. Yeah, look at that. That's nice. Really nice.
Motherfucker. Where'd you get this at?
Little test run.
Yeah, don't look at the light, boys.
All right.
Here she balls.
See something stupid?
Hi.
Subaru. Boop. Jesus. Alright guys, so I'll give you an update while Tyler is fucking my car right now. We're gonna try the welds, the little bit of those cracks around. Yep. George, question for you. What causes an exhaust leak?
Bad hardware, or just bad welds.
And?
Just like how we
And?
and
What
user
ca-
error.
Ooh. Ooh.
That's nothing against EJ.
I'm telling. That's a Chevy Cobalt. And we got the Toyota Corolla, baby. We fucking up here. This shit ain't done yet?
Don't make me fucking kick you in the balls.
That fucking thing sounds nice.
She's got about 2.5 horsepower, probably.
Fucking sounds like a dentist drill.
A little scary to think about. Here, open up.
Huh? Oh, she's looking nice.
Think we can clean up some of these super sloppy welds over here?
I mean, it looks good. Looks fucking really good.
A little brake clean will clean it up.
Yeah, no, it's good. That's good. So the old one to the new
Got
ones.
some new nuts.
Should you like change these like on the reg?
No, almost are leaking. No need. Almost
All
done
right.
gasket.
And an ASE-Certified tech said you should change these about weekly.
Whoa, you're touching my hand there, bro. A little too close here.
Yeah?
A little too close for you, bud.
I don't roll like that, man.
What you did?
I don't know what world you're living in.
I don't know either.
Go ahead. There we go. Oh no.
Oh. This fucking glove gets caught.
Alright, that's good enough. It looks pretty straight.
Yeah. We're gonna look. We're gonna see if there's any more. Mark is in there.
Rev it up a little bit. Got a little bit right there. We got a couple little spots there. Do it again. Oh. What did you just fucking do that? Do it again. Alright, I think that's just back, right? You can see with them there.
Let's see.
Yeah. It's probably better because we did weld it, but it's probably still leaking because my welds suck. But we can fix that, or at least help it with a little bit of exhaust putty.
I'm in. So we'll putty that bitch up.
Yeah, fuck it.
All right. So he's saying there's these tiny little holes still. Mark is up there. What's up, Mark? Yeah, so we're gonna fix it. Yeah, Dimitri, he fixes cars.
Maybe.
Tyler fixes cars.
Maybe.
Tyler also does keys too, right?
Yeah, no. I'm the key master.
He,
Oh, that's wrong size.
bring it down. You do, don't floor it. Don't floor
Got
it.
zip ties, don't worry.
Don't floor it. Oh, the exhaust sounds good. You can't even fucking hear it, but... Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, I do have it.
He put his seatbelt on.
Are we doing a rev competition now?
Well, I gotta fill it up oil first. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, me afterwards.
Shit looks just like my fucking shit.
Well, we got a little oil on the bumper there.
Oh, fuck. What are you gonna fucking do? What are you gonna do about that?
Not good.
Oh, shit. He didn't want to take it out. Now he's spilling oil all over it. Fucking A. On the bright side, it's in 4K.
That's really good.
That thing's sick looking.
That we're gonna have to do something about.
Oh, yeah. You can see it from fucking here.
Yeah, I haven't washed it in like 2 weeks, so I'll probably just wash it.
I gotta wash my car too. I mean, it sounds good. Hell yeah. Look at that. That's a happy boy in there. That's a happy boy.
Shut the fuck up. That's a steady hand there.
Mark, in this GTR, what do you think? Gallo 12, Gallo 24?
Now, if you pre-fill your oil filters.
24. All right, guys, we'll give you a little tour of this thing. Oh, shit. Fucking nice. The fucking sticker. Just put that right on his fucking shit. He'd be happy.
Using my card, I don't even ask for anyone's help. They come over there, it's like,
BBK.
Big brake kit.
that's sensual.
That's fucking nice.
Shoot, doggy. Should I put stop screw on?
Huh? That the brakes are done. She's looking nice. Look at them fucking bad boys. You got Mark. Fucking Mark just shifting on. Just fucking shifting on through. Fucking pretty. Damn, dog. Look at this. Look at this fucking Tesla, dog. Oh, shit, beach. Oh, shit. Beach? All right, this might be a good thing or a bad thing. Fuck. This might be a good thing or a bad thing. It's gonna be green soon. At least a little bit. A little bit. I mean, it was fucking close. It was not close. It was close.